Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now in this video today, I'm going to be walking through the Dollar Tree, showing you all the stuff that they have in their crafter section. So come on with me, guys. Now while we're doing this, I want you to go and grab your coffee, a piece of paper or your calendar, and a pen so you can jot down these collaboration and reminders that we can participate in. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you the collabs for the month of October. I think it's easier that way. So we're going to start out with Tablescape Tuesdays. Now, Tablescape Tuesdays is so awesome. You come every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, any style, any color, any theme of your choice. Unless we're bringing in a guest, and then of course it'll be the guest and their theme. And this is every Tuesday, guys, and this is being hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, which is Amethyst Adventures, Courtney, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. That's Anna, and that's me. Now, I know that in between the collabs, when I'm hearing announcements, I have to pause. So if you have to pause, make sure and do that. Write the collab down in the time, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the next one. Okay, now the next collab is Sophisticated Saturdays. Now this is a pretty awesome collab also, because you're not just decorating a tablescape, you're decorating any area of your home. So long as it's classy or elegant, we are more than happy to add you to the playlist. Now remember, there is a hashtag to use, and make sure for each video, for each collab, you're using the hashtag. This way we can find you. And that makes it so much easier. Okay, so I'm going to move on to A Princess Dream. This is an awesome collaboration, and it's being held October 14 at 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the host of that collab is the Glam Queen of Decor, and that's Tammy, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is me. Now we are creating a wedding centerpiece, but anything having to do with a tablescape, you could decorate even a beverage bar, a coffee station, anything that can entertain guests, a charcuterie board. You can pretty much do anything when you're receiving company right before a wedding. So, and even fashion and even makeup, guys, we got to get this bride ready for her big day, and we got to do that on a budget. Now remember that all the information on these collabs are always in my community tab, and if you ever have a question, just send me a message. Now this one I would really love for people to be aware of, because it is real and it is happening. So there's two different ones. I'm going to go ahead and mention this one. And this collab is being hosted by Creations by Simone, and it is a domestic violence collaboration that she's holding. It is purple theme, but it is freestyle. Now she's hosting this collaboration on the 9th of October at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I hope you guys join. Let's move on to the next one. Now for this next collaboration, it's called Pink for a Cause, and this is for breast cancer awareness. And this is being held on October 17th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, and this is freestyle, guys, so you can go ahead and do anything or decorate anything that you want, so long as you add some pink in there. If you feel like telling someone an experience that you've had or someone else has had, you're more than welcome to. So this collaboration again is on the 17th of October at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's being hosted by Penny's Lifestyle Living and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's me. If you have any questions, make sure to send us a message. Okay guys, so I'm like really excited about this one, and normally I don't like cooking very much, but I do like different foods from different parts of the world. Now this collab is called Holiday Dishes from Around the World. You can either cook an ethnic dish from your home place of birth, or you can cook from a place that you've visited, or just your favorite dish, whatever that may be. I would love for you to join in this collab and show us your favorite dishes. This is going to be a lot of fun, guys, and this is being hosted by Penny's Lifestyle Living and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's me. Okay, so now that collab is on October 21st at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And like I said, this is going to be a lot of fun, guys. So I hope you guys join in. Okay, so this is the last collab so far, at least for today. And it's called Fancy Fitness Workout Collab. Now that's being hosted by the Work From Home Wife of Atlanta. And then we have co-hosts, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's me, Penny's Lifestyle Living, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Gwendolyn Ray Inspires, organized by Darcy, Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle, and Joyful Decor by Denise. So, like I said, we're going to get into doing some kind of exercise to keep ourselves moving, and we could really use your support and also join in. Even though it's not an open collab, we really do need to do this to keep ourselves healthy. So I hope that you join us. Well, will you look at that, guys? We still have a lot of video left. So let's go and take a look at the Craft Your Square section of the Dollar Tree. So I hope you guys wrote this stuff down. If not, replay the video, pause in between. Any questions, make sure and send me. So let's take a look at the rest of the video. Come on with me, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed talking. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.